Well, I got a special video for you today. I showed up at this customer's house to do a small job blasting some rust off a trailer, and what I found was he has a 1/8 scale railroad track all over his 3-acre property. And so I asked him if he would show me around, and he did, and I tried to take a little video of everything. So he is modeling all of his trains after this picture here to recreate the same thing. This was a popular line way back in the day. This is the engine room where he keeps all of his engines, and he's able to work on them and keep them out of the elements. But these pull cars that can haul a full-size adult or multiple small children, depending on how the cars are configured. So he also showed me around. He has a cart barn here on the side of his house that holds all of the train cars, and a whole interchange system here to get the engines out of the engine room and connect with those cars. But this ended up being so cool, I had to get a video of it, as well as a little bit of me blasting the rust off of his trailer. But all in all, it's something I've never seen in my life, and I thought it was really cool.